Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country here with the next evolution in altitude for our 2022 Toyota Tundra. Let's get it off the lift and over to the video studio and I'll break it down for you. All right guys, what I've got for you is our 3.5-inch lift kit for the 2022 Tundra. Now this is a simple bolt-on kit. It is a no-cut kit that you can install in your garage at the house. The kit's gonna bring the front up 3.5 and the rear 2 to give you a nice level stance. Included in the kit are strut spacers for the front, coil spacers for the rear, as well as upper control arms to keep that alignment within spec. It's going to include differential drop brackets to keep those front CV axles at the perfect angle, a rear track bar bracket to ensure that rear axle is centered, and a heavy-duty skid plate to protect the undercarriage and differential. This 3.5-inch bolt-on lift kit is a step above the leveling kit we saw last time, but far from the final form for this Tundra. So be on the lookout for even more lift kits and accessories at roughcountry.com.